Hi guys, it's Bailey. I am so excited to show you some of the products we have to offer in Choice 6 for our annual members. Make sure to stick around to the end because I do have a code for you to get some money off of your first box. Getting right into it, we have the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. I think this is super cute. I mean, look at it. It literally looks like sorbet. I want to eat it up, but you can't. It's not edible, but it is definitely wearable, and I love that it swatches very light. It's very peachy. I am wearing it today, so you can kind of keep applying to get that more blushy look, or you can kind of just swipe it on over your makeup to kind of give you that natural little highlighty, blushy look. And I do love that it does have highlighter in it as well, so you can kind of kill two birds with one stone with the highlighter and the blush. And not to mention the packaging is super chic, and we just love Hourglass around here, so definitely a must-have in your spring makeup look. It'll keep you looking nice and cute and pink and florally. All right, the Nue Co Topical C powder. This is a super cool way to add vitamin C to your skincare routine. You can add 2 to 3 little dashes to your serum, to your moisturizer, or just to water to apply to your skin. It helps to protect you from outside pollutants, helps to protect you from those harsh UV rays. You know, it is springtime, the sun's coming out, it will start to get a little bit hotter, so we want to protect that skin of yours. And I love that you can really just apply this or add this to any little thing that you have in your skincare routine, so it's kind of a 2-in-1 step, makes it super easy to use. And not to mention the packaging is super cute. So definitely a must-have for your spring skincare routine. Next, we have the Winky Luxe Lip Oil. I absolutely love this. I've been wearing it all week. It's perfect because it gives you the look of lip gloss, but it actually is moisturizing your lips. It's giving you all day shine, and it has these long-lasting effects, which I love because I feel like regular lip gloss can sometimes dry out my lips or it doesn't last as long. And what's awesome about this is it can go over your lipstick, so if you do still want to have a lip color with some shine, this is a really great product. It kind of gives you a no makeup look as well, and not to mention it's super cute, and it also smells really good, kind of smells like cookies. Very big fan of this product. Next, we have our Londontown Cuticle Cream. I am obsessed with this because it comes in a pen form. I am all about keeping my cuticles nice and moisturized, but honestly, when it comes to having the oil and having to like paint it on my nails, it does get a little bit time consuming. So I love that this is an easy to use pen, and you literally just do a couple clicks and then you'll swipe it onto your cuticles, and you can just kind of rub it in. It's easy on the go. It keeps my nails looking fresh and clean, and when it's spring, we're all about being fresh and clean. So definitely a great addition to your skincare routine. Don't forget about those cuticles because they do get dry and they need some love as well. Now we have the Erno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. This is a super great addition to have in your shower. You know, it's funny because as kids, I feel like we were told don't play in the mud, but now as adults, we are embracing the mud. The mud is helping us to keep that youthful look. Definitely into it. It keeps your skin super soft, and it's really easy to use. You can use it a few times a week or every day in the shower. Also, how many of you are morning showerers or night showerers, if that's even a word? I take showers at night. I like to go to bed feeling fresh and clean, so you let me know. Up next, the perfect accessory to your spring look. We have the Lark and Ives hair scarf bundle that comes in this coral color with this cute little pattern and this buttercream color that's nice and subtle but can still dress up your look. These are super versatile. You can wear them in your hair, or I think you can also like tie it around your belt loop, do a little nice ascot moment. We're gonna bring that back in spring. I just have a feeling about it. Let me know below how you would style these, because again, there's so many things you can do and I need to know all of the ways. They also come in this super cute pouch for easy storage. It has the brand name on it. It's this nice little canvas bag. So a really cute way to travel with them and keep track of them as well. Now we have the Human+Kind hand scrub in Elderflower and Raspberry. I am really big on making sure my skin is nice and soft and supple, and you know, coming out of the winter, brutal on my skin, very dry, so this has been an amazing addition to my skincare routine. This is something I keep just right next to my sink. It has these exfoliating beads in it, so I kind of just honestly use it as I'm using soap, and I scrub my hands, and then after, you know, a couple minutes, my hands are soft and supple. The dry skin is gone. It's definitely a good size. A little bit goes a long way. It smells like elderflower and raspberry, and it was made in Belgium. Love their waffles. So we have the Daily Concepts Facial Dry Brush. Dry brushing is really big. If you've been with FabFitFun for a second, you definitely know that we're a big advocate for dry brushing. But this is specifically for your face. It helps with cell regeneration, it helps with circulation, and it helps just to remove dead skin. You can use it before you get into the shower, just, a part of your morning skincare routine. I absolutely love it. I am getting back into traveling in the spring. I already have like 4 trips planned. It is wedding season, at least for me, so I am going to be traveling with a lot of jewelry, and I used to just kind of throw it in my toiletry bag and then get really frustrated later when I had to detangle everything, but now I don't have to do that with this Millie jewelry case organizer. It's super chic. It has places for your rings, for your earrings, and then yes, it has another compartment that you can put necklaces in, any other kind of accessories you want to put in. It's really cute, compact, can travel with you in, a backpack or your suitcase, and I love this design, this fun little zebra print. Honestly, this probably would have never been something I would have bought for myself, but it's a necessity. It's one of those things that you are just so thankful for when you're packing or you're going somewhere. You're like, thank goodness I have a jewelry organizer. So highly recommend. We are absolutely loving the jewelry and accessories for this spring season. Up next, we have the Coach Open Circle Necklace in Tea Rose Stud Set. These are very subtle, but very cute. It still dresses up an outfit. I don't know about you, but I'm someone who likes to have a little bit more subtle of jewelry, and I love the coloring on this. The little flowers are super cute, and I do love that it has the Coach signature logo on the circle necklace. And more importantly, it comes with this super cute little Coach canvas bag, all about, transferring our goods in very cute bags. So I'm really excited about this product. Up next, we have the Eyeko Double Act Shadow Stick. If you're anything like me, I do not own an eyeshadow palette, and they kind of intimidate me. I don't really know how to use them, so I really like when there's easy to use things to add some extra pizzazz to my makeup look. It has this cream side, so a little bit of a lighter look, and then it has this cookies shade side to add a little bit of a darker look, so something you could use in the creases. It helps to give you this overall elevated makeup look. And the best part, it does come with a sharpener as well, so you can make sure that you can sharpen it. This product is super low effort, which I'm a huge advocate for always. I am not a big fan of having this intense makeup look that takes a million hours for me to do. I'm always on the go, so I love that I can just quickly color this on my eyelids, and then I can kind of dab it with my finger. Definitely a great thing to have in your car, in your bag, on the go if you need to kind of just spruce up your makeup look. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. I know there were a ton of products in category 6, but I promise you they are worth it, and I'm so excited for this spring box. Comment down below what some of your top choices are, especially in category 6. Like I said, I do have a code for you to get $10 off of your first box, and that is code Bailey. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all, and see you next season.